Hi, I'm Eric Hearn. I'm a Senior Principal Consultant with Lenovo Professional Services. Today, I'm going to be talking about our cloud workshops. So our cloud workshops are part of a consulting practice where we start with a workshop. The workshop is about a half day, typically. But these gather a lot of information about what our customer's environment currently is, and they lead into a detailed assessment. These detailed assessments are tools-based, so we leverage a lot of tools to go and collect information, but they're result-orientated, and they get to the bottom of how to take your existing infrastructure, your legacy infrastructure, into a modern cloud-based, hybrid cloud or multi-cloud kind of environment. These assessments then have a high-level design, and they have an associated statement of work that gets you into the design and the implementation stage. Now, the first thing we start is we start asking questions in the workshop. So we start with what is your existing infrastructure? And a typical approach is a lot of customers are saying, well, we've designed a production environment, and this production environment is located close to where our users are. So our users are probably in the same building. They're probably accessing the local network, but the production network is where they start. And so here's the end users. Now, as the business grows, they realize the first thing they need is some kind of disaster recovery site. So they build out a DR site. And this DR site is going to be remotely located in some other city, some other data center, and then they add additional users into this infrastructure. And then they have a development team that comes out and starts building more applications to this production, to this DR site. Virtualization is used, so there's a lot of VMs on both sides. Maybe there's an acquisition. Then these developers realize, hey, there's a lot of APIs I can leverage in the public cloud. And so oftentimes what they'll do is they'll go into Azure. They'll leverage the APIs. So they'll build out a collection of virtual machines. They'll build out a set of basically software that's leveraging the platform as a service. It could be Microsoft SQL. It could be other things that are out there. But what they've done inadvertently is they've created a hybrid cloud solution that's really not governed. So there's really no governance. There's no management of it. There's no there's no governance, there's no management, there's no kind of control of it, probably is the best way to say it from an IT perspective. And so this is really what we're trying to tease out. All right, so in our cloud workshop, we tease out this overall solution, this overall picture, and from there we realize, hey, you know what? You need some help. You need some help figuring out exactly how we're going to understand your applications that are running over here, the applications that are running over here, how they all interact with each other. And from here, we lead into the type of assessment that needs to be done on this infrastructure. And so with that, we've performed our cloud workshop. So thank you for your time. I'm Eric Hearn. Again, Lenovo Professional Services. To learn more about Lenovo's cloud solutions, visit our website or ask your Lenovo sales representative or business partner about a cloud assessment, design, and migration to accelerate your journey to the cloud. Stay tuned for our next episode.